I've been eyeing this blush from Allie for a while now and finally got my hands on it. It is their Cheek UV and it's supposed to have an SPF 50 PA++ for a blush, and I got the shade in Lucent Pink. So satisfying to peel the sticker now. It's supposed to have an SPF 50, friction proof, waterproof, and what's amazing is beach proof. I don't know what that means, but it says beach proof. There are two shades available, and I must admit it's a little pricey, 1,600 yen. So let's get started. I'm just gonna pour a little on the back of my finger, and yeah, wow, this color. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend, and it's kind of patchy, I must admit. So let's try using the other side with a brush. Yeah, build this up, and it looks much better with a brush. I guess it builds more coverage, so I'm just gonna apply more on this side to even out our cheek. Just gonna quickly set it with my trusty powder from Shiseido, and let's blot it with a tissue to see if this is really transfer proof. And as you can see, it did not transfer on the tissue. Very light coverage. So it's the end of the night here. I'm just gonna quickly show you. I'm using this mask. I've been out for a while and I've been using this mask. So let's see if it transferred on my mask. And wow, surprise! Did not transfer on my mask. I must say this is a subtle colored blush, but if you're looking for a more pigmented one, definitely this is not for you. But I like it for an everyday use.